Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of BackFishing. Anyways, today is a trout fishing day for us, and it's been fairly warm up here in the Pacific Northwest, and I haven't gone trout fishing in a long time, so that's what we're gonna do today. I would consider this lake area in the higher mountain area, so let's give it a go today and see what we can do. All right, let's go. All right, my buddy just caught one, another one. He just casted it out there just a moment ago. Nice. Check out a fish, dude. That's pretty nice, man. Right, second fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All in about what, 30 minutes or something like that? Yeah, right on. We got something to maybe fry up.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, nice, good job. All right, so I didn't realize that dissolves, dude.
Yeah,
Okay, so you put a little bit bigger piece.
yeah, because eventually it dissolves.
Okay, I didn't know that. Cool. Ooh, that's out there. All right, it's starting to get kind of hot, but found a spot over here. All right, guys, this is the power bait I was talking about, and you just take a small piece of it, you know, like so. If you don't know, if you're not familiar with how to put this on, some people use treble hooks, and I think that's helps it stay on the hook, but I just use the single hook. So just kind of ball it up a little bit like that, nice and round, make it look pretty like that. Then that's all there is to it. That's ready to go. Okay, and then on the other one I'll use the other bait, which is right here. You can get it out of the pouch. This is the power bait. This is an old one. I just recently opened this, but this is an older power bait, and this is about, I think this is at least 15 years old, this particular jar, but it was sealed, so still catching fish. All right, let's do the same thing. You know, here's my single hook. It's a size 12, I believe, is something like that. Could be size 10, right, like that. Then I slide my little soft bead, and you can see it's a soft bead, and basically that just helps it to float as well, although the power bait floats as well. All right, let's toss it out there. Hey guys, just want to show you my setup real quick. Usually I use a egg sinker. That way it slides. There's a hole right in the middle, so it slides. So when the fish picks up the bait, it can freely move. The line just slides back and forth, like this. See? So power bait, and a little soft plastic bead on it, just to give it some color and help it to float. That's it. Man, I just missed that. Missed that hit. Yep, took it. Got my soft bead left. All right, that's a good one too. All right, let us throw this out. Have this one ready to go out. All right, let's cast this out. We got it pre-baited up. I just had that hit too, dude. I missed it. It was a good one. On that other pole. I want to try to take out the slack in that line. That way when you see that fish take that bait, you could tell the tip will start moving. Like right now. Come on, take it. Ooh. Take it.
Is that a hit?
Yeah. There you go. Fish on, baby. Ooh. Yes. They're here. I gotta tighten my drag a little bit. Oh yeah. They're here, baby. Yeah, my buddy just caught one. And this doesn't feel too heavy, but you know, it's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, take it. There you go. I don't think he swallowed it. Yeah, he didn't swallow it, but. Ooh, hold on. Yep, right here. Didn't swallow it. Oops. Got him right on the cheek. Nice. All right. Woohoo! All right, got it set up again. All right, right there. Make that line a little straighter. Perfect. Oh yeah. We're gonna wait in that line till that line starts to sink again. Let it drop. Let it work its way to the bottom. And then we'll reel it in a little bit. You gotta wait until that line just sinks a little bit, and then you can take out that slack. It's pretty good though. It's been pretty exciting. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. There you go. All right, we're set. Let's take off the slack a little bit. There you go. We're good. Looks like something's playing around with it now. Come on. Something's playing around with it. There it is. Oh man, missed it. Missed it. All right, let it go. Just leave it in there. I have 2 baits on there, so let's see if it comes back. All right, I think it came back. There it is. There it is. Did I get it? Oh, I just missed it again. Oh, this is getting so exciting. Let's see if, so I switched up the garlic flavored power bait, and then we have it on the, we have the regular power bait in the bottom, the pink one. We'll see which one they like. But right now, the garlic is actually outperforming the regular. You get another one? Right on. Oh, my buddy over there just got another one. Okay. They're here, like I said. So they travel in schools. All right, I think we have something interested. There he goes again. All right, we're gonna pick it up. It's on there. It's gonna wait. Take out the slack. Okay, fish on. Fish on, baby. Here we go. We got fish on. Here we go. All right, we missed about 3 in a row. Now we got a fish on right here. Oh yeah, he's not happy. He's not happy. Yeah, he took the pink. The pink. All right, just like that. All righty. Let's see. All right, guy. Hold on. Did you swallow it? Did you swallow it? Nope. I mean, he swallowed it. Oh, shoot. Come on now. There you go. It's the pink one that he took, not the garlic one. That's the 15-year-old one. Nice. Alrighty. That's awesome. There you go. Nice. It's not a big fish, but it's fun catching these guys. This is your regular hatchery fish. Yeah, one thing I like to do is right before the bait hits the water, I put my bail down so that the string or the line actually stretches, so I don't have all that slack in the water. All right, let's do this again. All right, I think I have another hit. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, on. I'm on. Got another one on. Oh, this is a little bit heavier actually. Oh yeah. My buddy over there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This guy liked it. Yeah. Come on now. I'm kind of curious. This guy is fighting really well. All right. Which one did he take? He took the garlic now. All right. Yeah. Much bigger. Much bigger size. All right. There he is. Oh, he chomped it. He chomped it. Yeah, it's in the back. All right. I think I'm just gonna take it out like that. And I'm gonna bleed him real quick. But I'm gonna dispatch him first. There you go. Pretty much is out. So just a quick blow. That's just nerves. Let's just do one more for a good measure. Yeah, he's pretty much done. Okay, that's a good size one. Just rip their gills because their heart is right here at the bottom. We want to just bleed him out. Okay. All right. Very good. All right, guys. Just a little update. We caught 2 fish, and it's so funny. I think they travel in schools. So when I caught one, my friend caught another one. So now we're just waiting for another one, or the school to come by, or they're always moving, I'm sure. think I'm getting bit again. Just like that. It's in that spot. Yeah, look at my line. It's starting to stretch out a little bit, just a little bit. And the tip, I'm gonna let it eat it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's on. It's playing around it. I'm gonna give it some time to chew it. There it goes. It's there. Just got to be patient. Patient until it's still there. I think it's just maybe just chewing it and staying in one place. Because I think they just pick it up. Because I've fished before, trout fishing, and then they've actually eaten both of the baits. But it's right there. It's as soon as it pulls really hard. Okay, now this is about the time. This is about the time I hold the pole, because I'm gonna set it once it starts to swim away. When I feel a good tug, that means it picked it up and it's ready to swim away. And there, yeah, you can feel it. I missed it. Yeah, I just missed it. I just missed it. Okay. Yeah, I just missed it. I mean, yeah, you just gotta be really patient. I don't know which one it took, but I take off all the little. We want it to look presentable. We want it to look like clean, no sand. All right, let's cast it out again. That was pretty good. Cast it out again. Oh, I like that cast. That was a little further. And again, you notice, oh, there's a school here. There's a riser there, a riser there. All right, we're getting bites, guys. See the tip action? All right. Hold on to the rod. As soon as it picks it up, I'm gonna set the hook. There we go. We're on. We're on. Oh yeah. We're on. All right, I'm gonna go this way. Oh yeah. It's a little smaller fish. Smaller fish. All right. Took the pink. Oh, look at this, guys. This is exactly what I was talking about. Look at this, guys. It took both of them. Man, this guy must have been hungry. It took both of my hooks. Look at that. They're both inside there. Here, I'll show you. Right there. There's my... Oh, he inhaled both of them. He inhaled. All right, here we go, guys. He took both of them. Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna... Wow, he swallowed it. As you can see right there, 2 baits. Remember, I had the yellow soft bead, and then yeah, and then the other one. Yeah, this guy was hungry. There he goes. There goes one, and then there's the other one right there. Wow. All right, operation time. All right, I think I got fish. Fish on. Probably a small one. It's not bad. It's a good size one. He went for the first one. Look at this guy. He took both of All right, it took both of them. He took the first one, ran with it. All right, let's get this hooks out. Right there, guys. All right, guys, finally, it's towards the end of the day. Actually, we've been out here for about 3 hours. We've caught 8 fish total. So the reason we had a little bit of success here is because I try to figure out when ODFW plants the fish on specific lakes. So that's what I did. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Took my friend out here that was visiting, and he hadn't caught fish in about 3 years, especially trout. But I put him on some fish, and he was happy. Also, guys, I'm doing a giveaway, 2 crab snares at the end of September. I'll link the video where I have all the details to enter it. If you want to have a chance to win a couple of crab snares from me, it's custom made. Do it on the link below, okay? All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of BackFishing. Service unto others is the rent you pay here on earth. All right, laters, guys. Oh shoot, this thing's on. I had 2 hooks, but I don't know where the other one is. It just fell off somewhere. What the? All right, looks like I just lost that weight. This is comical, man.